welcome. We gather this evening to celebrate Johns Hopkins and the incredible momentum of our very successful Rising to the Challenge campaign.
There's no question that Johns Hopkins is a prolific engine of ideas, from our work staunching the spread of HIV to this summer's historic and quite amazing flyby mission to Pluto, and this ethos of innovation, of urgency, creativity, and impact drives our Rising to the Challenge campaign. It is a campaign that builds on the idea of our university as a place of ideas that shape and guide human behavior for the better.
I find myself constantly in awe of talented students across this university and the impact that they're already making in this world. One of the great pleasures in my role as the head of Johns Hopkins Technology Ventures is the opportunity to see an amazing array of faculty and students at all stages of their education and careers working on these innovations.
Today, we don't do a good enough job finding early stage cancers because we don't have reliable tests to find them. At PapGene, we're developing next generation cancer tests that will address this important but yet unmet need.
In my lab, we work to apply fundamentals of engineering to study regenerative and cancer processes, to guide stem cells to make blood vessels, develop different biomaterials to induce blood vessels, and with internal seed funding within Hopkins, we're able to do research that allows us to have new discoveries.
It was during my freshman year, just a few months in, and there was an open meeting for anyone who's interested in joining a team to build a device that patients can use to diagnose themselves. And today, 3.5 years later, we're the only undergraduate team that is a finalist in a $10 million international competition.
About 10 years ago, together with collaborators from the Division of Cardiology in the School of Medicine, we founded a startup company called Cardioxyl Pharmaceuticals. So we developed a new class of compounds that was effective in treating heart failure. And Cardioxyl initiated phase 1 clinical trials, and we're very hopeful that this new drug will have a real and positive impact on human health.
I hope tonight's discussion has whet your appetite for more and that you'll keep the dialogue going. Your support and your commitment count for an enormous amount. Thanks to these gifts from so many alumni, parents, and friends, I'm happy to report that as of tonight, together, we have raised more than $3.8 billion, or 77% of our goal. Leadership at this extraordinary level not only drives the important work underway across Johns Hopkins, it also gives us the confidence to carry forward as we lift Rising to the Challenge to even greater heights.